Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the construction of the tallest building in Jamaica. This is the Rodgers apartment building and it's going to have luxury apartments. This building is going to be 27 stories or 27 floors, making it the tallest building in Jamaica. Currently, the Jamaica Pegasus at 17 floors is the tallest building in Jamaica. Now, recently there's been a lot of talk about the Ascent, which is going to be 27 floors. However, that building has not started construction yet. And as you can see, the Rodgers is the one under construction to the right. That building is on its way and it should finish sometime next year. So this building will hold the title as the tallest building in Jamaica, even if it's for a short time. And just to point out, there's another building in Montego Bay that's going to be 28 stories. It's going to be a call center, or it's going to have call centers in it. However, that building, like the Ascent, has not started construction yet. So for now, this will be the tallest building in Jamaica until those buildings are completed. Now we're taking a drone view or aerial view of New Kingston. And the Rodgers is located on Waterloo Avenue, just off Waterloo Road. And this seems to be the trend now in Jamaica. They are building apartments in these high-rise buildings. And the buildings are just getting taller and taller. Now, the Jamaica Pegasus, which is 17 floors, it was built in the 1970s. The 1970s. So this is how long it has taken. Almost 40 years. Almost 50 years for a building to be built in Jamaica higher than 17 floors. However, quite a few of them are being built. As we said, this is a Rodgers. We spoke about the Ascent, and there's another one in Montego Bay. And there are quite a few other buildings that are high-rise buildings. You have the residences at Terra Nova, which is actually like a 1-minute drive from here. At the Terra Nova Hotel, that's going to be 14 stories. Musson is building a building in Halfway Tree that's going to be 10 stories. And yeah, those are the tall ones that we've mentioned. The rest are like 10 stories or less, 6, 8, 9. So it really did take a long time for a building to be built taller than the Pegasus. And the Pegasus is a hotel in New Kingston. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.